China is now offering electronic driving licenses in 28 cities including Beijing and Shanghai as part of an effort to facilitate more convenient public travel. On Wednesday, 25 cities nationwide joined the pilot cities of Tianjin, Suzhou and Chengdu in rolling out the program. According to data from the Traffic Management Bureau of the Ministry of Public Security, some 3 million applications have been filed already in the newly added cities. The digital driving licenses have the same legal validity as physical ones, and can be used during police stops, for car rentals, or when buying insurance, for example. Drivers can apply for the e-licenses with a mobile app. The licenses are welcomed by drivers for their easy access.
还是比较方便的。像夏天嘛，我们穿的衣服比较单薄，然后没有口袋，放来放去容易忘。
The police said electronic driving licenses recognized within the 28 cities are also accepted in other locations across the country. Encryption and anti-counterfeiting technologies are used in the licenses for safety concerns. Police officers said the electronic licenses are almost equivalent to traditional ones, but there are a few exceptions.
在处理需要暂扣驾驶证的这个环节，那么可能我们公安机关仍然需要当事人提供实体化的这么一个驾驶证来进行审核，包括进行暂扣。那其他的一些场景应该来讲是不受任何限制，真正能够实现就是说让数据多跑路，群众可能会享受到更大的便捷。
China plans to issue digital driving licenses nationwide starting in 2022.